Hey, what is going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be talking about some very big RaiBlocks news, which is the rebranding announcement. This was a rumor that started when RaiBlocks really kicked into action not that long ago, and it really wasn't confirmed, but a lot of people thought that it was going to happen, and indeed today it was announced. Basically full rebranding. There's a couple things that still need to be updated, but it was a very synchronized rebranding, which is, excellent, because you don't want some kind of half rebranding where it's not really clear what's going on. The NANO team did a great job. So NANO is the biggest mover here as far as percentage increase in the top 100 today, up 35%. So people are definitely reacting very well to the news. And as far as the price action goes, we can see that we broke out above that 180,000 Satoshi resistance level. We were really struggling with that. And we're now moving higher into this range between 180K and 220,000 Satoshis. So this is exactly what we wanted to see happen. We're back above the uptrend line as well now. I said this yesterday in my daily crypto update. If you don't know, I cover RaiBlocks daily, but it was acting, stronger than most, actually kind of consolidating here despite all the BitRail drama. So there was some kind of strength there, and now we're kind of seeing why. So a couple of things that I just want to give a quick shout out to. Make sure to check out my premium content for monthly buying opportunities and 5 high return cryptocurrencies. You can find a link to that in the description of this video. And make sure to follow me on Twitter for live cryptocurrency market updates. I was already talking a little bit about the rebranding there. So let me talk and go into a bit more detail about all of this news. They of course announced it on the subreddit here 3 hours ago. The general reaction is very positive. And personally, at first, when I heard the rumors of it a while back, I wasn't that happy. I thought to myself, RaiBlocks is now, a known name, and maybe it's not a good idea to start changing things around. Once I saw how the rebranding went now, and it was just so sleek, so professional, that it makes me even more bullish on RaiBlocks. And if you don't know how I've been covering RaiBlocks, I was one of the first crypto YouTubers to talk about it and really back it. I do own quite a bit of RaiBlocks now, and I'm of course going to hold here throughout 2018. Here's someone talking, about the ant shares, right? That's now NEO, and we can see how well NEO did since then. So hopefully RaiBlocks will be similar. I'm going to go over the website as well, over the rebranded website. As for the subreddit, they already have the nano currency subreddit, and that'll be opening soon. So that goes back to what I was saying with the rebranding being very synchronized, basically, across the board. And let's go over the website here. So website now fully rebranded to NANO. I'll go over the announcement as well, but basically they're really kind of placing themselves as being just an all-around great transactional cryptocurrency is the best way to put it, right? And they're really, I feel like they're targeting that #1 spot in crypto, to be honest. So digital currency for the real world, fast and free to pay for everything. And they'll have that online wallet, apps as well, and the desktop wallet. So those will be rebranded to NANO and redesigned very soon. But for now, it's still the original ones. And here's one of the big things that I like about the website and the rebranding is this little section on use cases for NANO, right? This is something that surprisingly you don't even really see on a lot of cryptocurrency, websites, right? NANO made this a very clear point on the use cases. If you look at what they're saying, they're really targeting the key, areas to make NANO into a major cryptocurrency, right? If not the biggest cryptocurrency out there. So ideal trading pair, of course, because NANO is instant and has 0 fees. Peer-to-peer, so you can easily pay people and things like rent, taxis, stuff like that. Micropayments for small digital assets, content subscriptions, stuff like that. And business to consumer, right? So targeting that whole merchant area. And those are very key areas to make a cryptocurrency successful. And NANO is perfectly set up because it's instant, 0 fees, decentralized. So really, everything is brewing for NANO to be, big here. And I just like what they did with the website. It's very sleek, very professional. They also got a little block explorer here, which is a nice addition. Went over the team as well. And they all have a little promo video. I won't play it here, but very good job. Very sleek design, very professional. Definitely not a bad rebranding at all. It looks like they're really trying to make themselves into a serious player here. As you can see on their Twitter, already rebranded fully. So very synchronized rebranding, like I said. And as for the actual rebranding announcement, in the little blog post, we can see that nano.org is the new website. For the addresses, right now, it's still going to be the XRB underscore. It will change to nano underscore soon, but for now, nothing's changed. You still have the same amount of RaiBlocks as nano, so there's no confusion there, right? Everything is basically the same thing as far as that is concerned. And the only things that we can look forward to now, I mean, as far as the rebranding goes, are the beta testing for the desktop wallet and iOS wallet. So those will be coming, of course, in the near future. But as you can see from the pictures, right, very sleek as well, really just amazing design. So that's something that I can really appreciate it, and just it's another vote of confidence for the professionalism of the team. I'm pretty much more bullish than ever on RaiBlocks and in Nano now. I will be making a updated price prediction for Nano specifically, and let me know what you think about all of this. I'd be really interested to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.